Hello students, how are you all? Hope that you all will be fine. So students, let us continue with your chapter relations and function. Here I want to tell you students, in this chapter definitions play very important role. So before doing the exercise questions, it is very important to go through with all the definitions. So I have discussed up to question number 10. If you will read the statement of question number 11, that is very simple students. Now I am going to start with question number 12. Show that the relation R defined in the set A of all triangles, that is R is equal to T1 comma T2, that is T1 is similar to T2, is the equivalence relation. Consider the three triangles, that is T1 with the side 3, 4, 5 and T2 with the sides 5, 12, 13 and T3 with the sides 6, 8, 10. Which triangle among T1, T2 and T3 are related? So here students, I want to tell you that how to do this type of the questions. So let us see. First of all, we have to see that this A is the set of all the triangles in the plane. So R is equal to T1 comma T2 such that T1 is similar to T2. That is R is equal to T1 comma T2. That is T1 is similar to, this is the sign of similarity students, is similar to T2. Number one is, we have to check it is reflexive. Since every triangle is similar to itself, therefore T comma T belongs to R for all T belongs to A. Therefore R is reflexive. Right students? Now come with the symmetric. Let T1 comma T2 belongs to R. T1 is similar to T2 and T2 is similar to T1. So what you can say, if T1 is similar to T2 and T2 is similar to, then T1 comma T2 belongs to R. Therefore R is symmetric. Now let us come with third one, that is transitive. T1 comma T2 belongs to R or T2 comma T3 belongs to R. Therefore T1 is similar to T2 and T2 is similar to T3. Therefore T1 comma T3 belongs to R. Then students, we can say that T1 is also similar to T3 and R is transitive. Now students, what you can see that as 6 upon 3 is equal to 8 upon 4 is equal to 10 upon 5, that is equal to 2 each. Therefore triangle T1 and T3 are similar. So here that is why we can we can use the definition and very easily we can discuss this type of the question. See question number 13 students. So try to solve this question yourself. Let us come with question number 14. L is the set of all lines in xy plane and R is the relation of L defined as R is equal to L1 comma L2 and L1 is parallel to L2, then show that the relation is equivalence. Now once again students, here we have to show that the relation is equivalence. So let us see what we will do students. The relation R, that is equal to L1 comma L2, where L1 is parallel to L2. So here we can say in the reflexive students that we have to add this line while we will give the answer of this question, that every line L is parallel to itself. So therefore L comma L belongs to R, or this implies that R is reflexive. Means it satisfies our definition of reflexive that is x comma x belongs to R, therefore the function is, the relation is reflexive. Now second symmetric, let L1 comma L2 belongs to R. L1 is parallel to L2. It means L2 is also parallel to L1. Therefore L2 also belong L1 L2 and L1 also belongs to R. Therefore the relation is symmetric. Right students? Third one is transitive. Now if L1 comma L2 that is belongs to R and L2 comma L3 that belongs to R, then what you can say students? L1 is parallel to L2. Now L2 is parallel to L3. It means L1 is also parallel to L3. It means this implies that L1 comma L3 belongs to R. Therefore R is transitive. Therefore R is a equivalence relation because it satisfies all, that is, it is reflexive, it is symmetric, it is transitive. Therefore this relation is called the equivalence relation. Now let us come with question number 15. If R is given, is the relation of the set 1 2 3 4 and R is equal to 1 2 2 2 1 1 4 4 1 3 3 3 and 3 2, choose the correct option. भाई हमें यहाँ से बच्चों बताना है कि कौन सा ऑप्शन जो है वो सही है। तो आप बच्चों ने देखा कि आर जो हमारे पास ये दिया गया है, क्लियरली हेयर यू कैन सी स्टूडेंट इट इज़ रिफ्लेक्सिव बिकॉज देयर इज़ 1 1 2 2 इज़ देयर. इट इज़ ट्रांसिटिव आल्सो as 1 comma 2 belongs to R but 2 comma 1 doesn't belongs to R, therefore it is not symmetric. Right? So students, your B option is right. And B option is R is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Right students? Now come with question number 16. R is the relation of the n set of n given by R is equal to A comma B, where A is equal to B minus 2, where B is greater than 6. Choose the correct option. So here very simple this is students. Very simply we can express it and we can write its answer. Its C option is the correct option then students, because while we will write here R that is equal to A comma B such that A is equal to B minus 2 where B is greater than 6. So what you will say students? You will say that the relation that will come as 5 comma 7, 6 comma 8, then 7 comma 9, 8 comma 10 and so on. Right students? Therefore 6 comma 8 is coming there. Therefore C option is the right option for this question. So with that question number 16, your exercise 1.1 is over.